Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so let's let this load up. All right, so wind time should be over, right? You should have done your class catalyst check-in and done some podcasting. So now we're in social studies. Okay, so hopefully you're following along with what the sub is telling you to do. So you're watching this video already, right? Woohoo! Hopefully, um, two things to do today. Okay, I'll read our passage out for today. And then you're going to have that real quick test your knowledge thing. Okay. So here is our section for today. Here we go. Showing a round world on a flat map. In this lesson, you learned how geographers show information on maps. Exploring a map's title, compass rose, legend, and symbols can help you understand what a map shows. You learn how geographers describe where a place is in terms of its absolute location. The global grid allows map makers to indicate the exact location of any place on Earth using lines of latitude and longitude, labeled with letters and numbers. Map scales are useful for describing the relative distance between two places. Using a map scale and absolute location allows you to estimate how far two places are from each other. All flat maps have distortion. Distortion just means like changing. So all flat maps, if we're taking something from a ball shape to a flat shape, you're going to have to change it and manipulate it a little bit. That's what they're talking about. Geographers use maps to show important features of Earth, such as its oceans and continents. However, every flat map of Earth involves some distortion or change. As a result, the size or shape of land masses or bodies of water, so like the size and shape of the continents and then the oceans, may be distorted or changed. And the distance between places may not be accurately shown either. To deal with distortions, map makers use different map projections. Many projections are named after the map makers who designed them. For example, Arthur Robinson designed the Robinson projection. The world map in section 5 is a Robinson projection. It is a popular projection because it balances the distortions of size and shape, resulting in a fairly accurate picture of the world. Notice how each projection does some things better than others, as you compare the shapes and sizes of the oceans and continents displayed in various maps. Think about the type of information each projection might show best. Okay, so here's one way of showing it, right? So this one says that it shows good direction, but it changes the size. So our continents here, they look a little small, right? So to make it flat in this case, they just changed the size of the continents. This one down here, they changed the shape a little bit. Look how long and skinny they all look compared to this one, right? So they stretched them out and changed the shape when they made it flat. Now, this one, they left the land pretty accurate, right? So this is really what the land looks like. But they kind of sliced it open, you see, so that they could leave the land the same, but they kind of mess with the oceans a little bit, right? So that's all you're reading for today. So now you have this test your knowledge stuff, okay? This is what I am grading for social studies today, okay? When this is finished, please turn it into the social studies core tray, all right? Make sure your name gets on this and it gets turned in before you leave today. I am grading this, okay? Um, that's all, though, for social studies. Please take your time on that, test your knowledge, and do your very best. Um, and then after you're finished with that, you should sit quietly and either get the dot to dot from your folder and work on that, or read a book or podcast. Okay. Don't bother people around you. All right. That's all for social studies. If you don't know what to do or you're confused on what to do next, go back and watch this video from the beginning. Um, Other than that, have a great day. I'll see you in English. Bye.